Hello, gang. Hello. How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning in to our daily dog walk. It's Friday, the 25th of March. It's my morning walk and I'm out with the little guys. We have 8 of the little blighters out with us today. I'll show you them all. We'll properly introduce you today to them all and show you the fun. It's a glorious day. We're out a little bit earlier than we might normally be out, but that won't dampen our spirits or change anything. So stay with us. We'll show you the fun. For a few of them, this weather is perfect. So the grass has still got all the dew on it. It's nice and cold to touch. The air is quite warm. It's going to get hot. But look at Charlie. He is just loving life. Loving life. Dragging himself across the nice wet grass. Yes, we're going to have a nice morning, guys. Come on. Hey, Biscuit, you need to be quiet. Hey, enough. Don't make me use my outdoor voice. Now, would you look who's on the naughty step? Elsa. Hey, buddy. Do you want to tell everyone what happened yesterday? Do you think they know? Where did you go for your walk instead of out with us? Into my house. We see you, sweetie. We see you. Oh, hey! Why are we all loud? Why are we so loud? Do you want to go down, buddy? Do you want to go down? Hello. Hello. Hello, trouble. Hello. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Second time on the naughty step, Elsa. You want to tell everyone why? Jumping and knocking the camera out my hand. Cracking the screen. Look who's down by the river in the corner. Can we see Ruby? That little white tail. It's like a fin, like a shark. Oh, the beautiful signs of the forest. Barney waiting for Maggie. He's just going at her face. Listen to Maggie. Bless her. Don't worry, Maggie, it's just a short, steep hill. I promise you, it's almost over. Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, you want to do your trick? Go on. Do it again. Good boy. Go on, up here. Up here. Let's have a play on the logs. Go on. Good, Alfie. Go on, Ted. Up you go. Good boy. Good, Elsa. Oh, yes. Well done. You go. Oh, yes, Ruby. Thanks for taking me with you, though. Good. Right, one at a time you're going on the lead, guys. Never mind the other dogs. Never. Here. Never mind the other dogs. One at a time we're going on the lead. Hi. Hello, guys. I know. Have we had a good day? Have we had a good day? I've had great fun with you guys this week. It has been phenomenal. Yes, it has. Good girl, Maggie. We've had great fun, haven't we, gang? All right, you guys. That's us done for another week. Thank you so much for watching, especially if you've made it right to the end. Remember to give the video a like, comment, subscribe and share. And we'll see you on our next walk. Take care.